Hi, I'm Eric Kunz with Furuno, and I'm excited to introduce our brand new FU2000 network follow-up steering lever controller. The FU2000 is designed to work seamlessly with our NavPilot 1000 commercial autopilot system. The NavPilot 1000 can be configured with FU2000 controllers on any IMO Solus vessel or motor yacht with analog or solenoid steering control. What sets the FU2000 apart is its modern high-visibility interface, a vivid color, high-resolution TFT display delivering crisp, sunlight-readable graphics and essential autopilot data, including rudder angle at a glance. A significant upgrade from traditional monochrome screens and analog levers. For intuitive control in demanding marine environments, the FU2000 features dedicated buttons for instant follow-up takeover control, standby, or resuming auto or nav mode. It's the perfect tool for dodging deadheads or obstructions and then easily resuming your voyage. Let's take a closer look at the FU2000. Notice that the controller is compact but concise. The color display is vivid and viewable in any ambient lighting conditions on deck or in a wheelhouse. There are 4 clearly labeled keys: a standby key, a takeover follow-up key, a mode or menu key, and a brilliance key. We also paid close attention to the steering lever itself. Notice that the steering lever is thick billet anodized aluminum and the lever mechanism itself is all metal construction. It's almost twice as strong as competitive offerings in the market. It can be mounted in a traditional trailing lever design or in a forward-facing configuration, and the FU2000 can be configured accordingly. There's also a shorter stub lever included with the FU2000 installation materials in case there are space limitations or the customer prefers to have a forward-facing lever that does not obstruct the display. The rear panel is also sealed with a 6-meter drop cable already attached to the display that exits at a right angle, making it very resistant to water ingress and easy to mount in a shallow mounting location anywhere on the vessel. Fully NMEA 2000 certified, up to 5 FU2000s can be installed on any NavPilot 1000 system. The FU2000 and the NavPilot 1000 control head can be a part of your full NMEA 2000 network or set up as a standalone network for redundancy. The Furuno FU2000, precision steering, modern visibility, and Furuno reliability, redefining follow-up control for today's mariners. For more information, visit Furuno.com.